Hey everybody, this is Steve from Commercial Forest Products, and today I'm here to talk to you about Paulownia, the wood known as Paulownia or Empresswood. Now we've done a few videos on Paulownia wood before, and they are some of our more popular videos, so we decided to do a little something different today. We've done comparison videos between Paulownia and other woods before, but we've never done a video where we've compared Paulownia with a different species entirely. And you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. This is a new segment we call Wood versus Canine. Now first, let me bring your attention to the Paulownia blank. Here it is in all of its glory. It is a Paulownia blank that is glued in 3 pieces, and it measures 1 3/4 inches thick by 15 inches wide by 22 inches long. And the purpose of this blank is to make an electric guitar or electric bass body, and a lightweight one at that. Now here's a Fender Precision bass, and I don't believe Fender has actually made any Empresswood basses, but I know companies like G&L have made them in this body style. As you can see, the Empresswood has remarkable ash-like grain structure to it. So the question we pose to you today is something that may not have been on your radar before. What weighs more, this Empresswood blank or a Chihuahua? But before you make any guesses, let's talk a little bit about the competitors. Chihuahua is the smallest breed of dog and is named after the Mexican state of Chihuahua. This fierce breed made the news in 2014 as a pack of strays overran the small Arizona town of Maryvale, terrorizing children. And in this corner we have Paulownia, one of the fastest growing trees in the world, capable of growth rates well over 7 feet per year as a seedling. Very impressive. Hey Molly.
Yes?
Quick question for you. What do you think is going to be heavier? A blank of Paulownia wood or Comet, the Chihuahua?
Definitely the wood.
Okay, well, what do you think now that you're feeling Comet, the Chihuahua?
I mean, he's a little girthy.
Yes?
But I still think the wood is heavier.
I don't know. It's going to be a close one, though.
See, I think it'll be close, for
yes.
sure.
Agreed. Okay, so Sadie, we're going to be weighing both the Chihuahua, oh, his butt, okay, and the Paulownia blank. So why don't we start off by weighing the Paulownia blank. Go ahead and put it in this digital scale. Make sure it's nice and flat. Let's see, what do we have for weight? 4.9 pounds. That is pretty incredible. So what are you thinking? You think the Chihuahua is gonna be heavier or lighter?
Yeah, he's chubby.
Yeah.
Put on some coronavirus weight.
Yes, he's been eating quite a bit. Comet, what do you think, buddy? How much are you gonna weigh? Let's find out. We'll zero out it and go ahead and put the Chihuahua on and see how much he weighs. Okay, there he's on. He's sat down. He's being a good dog, and he weighs 6.6 pounds. Buddy, he's ashamed. The 6.6 pounds, you do outweigh the wood blank rather significantly. Buddy, I think you've been eating a little too many treats. What do you think? I think I see the problem right here. What does this say? Insert treat. Yep, that's the problem. It appears that the Chihuahua outweighs the Empresswood blank by a factor of roughly 25%. Accordingly, I declare Paulownia the winner of round 1 of Wood versus Canine. Good boy, buddy. Thank you for participating in our experiment.